Well, hi there, everybody. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 200 Danis Street, apartment number 2 in Mill Hall, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor apartment with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a lot of things that I think you're going to enjoy. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to make sure to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today, so you can take a look at the surrounding area and the front of the home, especially the front of the home where you will enter. So we're going to come up these steps here, and we are right in your dedicated laundry room. So this is a second floor apartment, but you have this massive laundry room that can also double as a mud room. And it does have this little interior area here with some decent storage, guys. There is a lot of storage down here. I also love that you can control your energy costs by making sure this is closed off. That way you can keep your heat upstairs, especially in the cold months. We've got a nice wide staircase. It does hang a little turn here, but it is wide and there is room to kind of angle things in to get them into the bedrooms. Now, speaking of the bedrooms, we're just going to come through here. Now, this area is locked off. So again, another feasible place to use for storage, maybe a couple laundry baskets or something like that would work. We're going to come into the first bedroom here. We have enough room for probably a full to a queen. Nice big windows. And the big perk in this room is this massive kind of bonus room walk-in closet area. So this really gives you a lot of extra square footage in this bedroom. Coming into the second bedroom, nice and big. You could certainly do a king size bed in here, and then you can see the closet right over there, pretty standard, just has a hang bar in it. We're gonna come into the last bedroom. This is a long bedroom. You can certainly do, I would say, a queen size bed because I'm thinking about width here. Now it's up to you, but bed down here, a little bit off of there so that way the heat can rise up there. And then you can do a dresser. And if you like a TV in your bedroom, you can certainly do your TV down here. Coming down the steps, we're going to come into the main living area. So we are now in the bathroom. You've got your full setup here. Now your water heater is in here, but you do have some built-in storage here, a cute little vanity. And this bathtub is like mermaid central. And if you don't know what that means, it means you lay in a bathtub, you pinch your nose, and you go underwater and you pretend like you're a mermaid. If you don't do that, that's okay. But if you want to, you can do some mermaids in here. Moving through into the kitchen. So we do have a nicely laid out space here. Lots of cabinets here on this side. You've got a decent amount of countertops. You've got a little cabinet situation over here. Full-size appliances, and if you wanted, you could certainly do like a little bistro set over here and be out of the way, or add like a little breakfast bar, like a coffee bar, maybe a hutch or something like that for extra storage. That would also work there too. And then we're just going to come into our main living area, and this is not the last space, but it is a nice big space. So this is living room and dining room. You certainly have a lot of space over here to set up like your living room area. Imagine a great big couch over here. You could do your entertainment center over here, and then you could kind of situate a table and chairs right over here if you like to have a table and chairs. But the last space is actually not inside. We're going to come out this upper door here, and you do have a small little deck. It's a great view out here. You also get a great view out of the bedroom windows. But this gives you the opportunity, if you'd like a couple chairs or something out here, you can certainly do that. Okay, so I'm sure you're ready to call it home because literally the only thing that's missing here is you. So what you need to do to make that happen today is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about this property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit an application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today because, y'all, I don't know if you can tell by my sassy attitude, I'm very anxious to help you make this your home.